Alright guys, so we are at Mega Mart today. So stay tuned while we go do some shopping together. So Mega Mart, Waterloo Road. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discover Boss, here with another video. So I'm here at Mega Mart, Waterloo Road, just gonna pick up a few items. So I'm just gonna bring you guys along with me. I think I've covered Mega Mart before, probably a year or two ago. So I'm just gonna do a walkthrough, show you guys around. Won't do a lot of talking. Alright, so I won't do a lot of talking, so it's really just a quick glimpse. So Waterloo Road out there. So it's really just a quick glimpse of inside Mega Mart. So stay tuned. Remember to like, remember to comment, and remember to share. And as usual guys, if you're new to the channel, if you haven't yet subscribed, we're trying to reach 10,000 subscribers by the end of June. So subscribe, and go over to my Instagram page, Raymore Reviews-Jamaica, and also follow me there. So let's take a walk inside Mega Mart. Let's take a look around. You probably have never visited this location before. You probably have never come this side, or you probably haven't come in a while. So let's take a walk inside together, and you guys watch till the end. Alright guys, so I can't show you everywhere, I can't show you every single product, but just wanted to show you guys a glimpse of, you know, some of the stuff here at Mega Mart. So remember to like, remember to comment, remember to share, and remember to subscribe as well. And this video is a little bit different from the norm. It's not a review, but you know, probably just a showcase or a show around Mega Mart Waterloo Road. So thanks for watching guys, and follow me on Instagram, Raymore Reviews-JA.